History unfolded over video chat as the former and future U.S. president appeared on a courtroom screen. Before Donald Trump was sentenced, prosecutors noted his continued defiance, despite being found guilty by a jury.
The defendant sees himself as above the law and won't accept responsibility for his actions.
Trump offered no apology and showed no sign of contrition.
This has been a very terrible experience.
He maintains there was nothing wrong with the hush money payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels ahead of the 2016 election, which were meant to buy her silence about an alleged affair with Trump.
They called a legal fee or a legal expense, and for this, I got indicted. But the fact is that I'm totally innocent. I did nothing wrong, and I'd just like to explain that I was treated very, very unfairly.
In fact, Trump was treated unlike any other defendant. He was sentenced to a mere unconditional discharge. No jail time, no fine, and no probation.
Sir, I wish you Godspeed as you assume your second term in office.
The court acknowledged it was the only realistic option for a man who will assume the presidency in just 10 days.
If President Trump had not been reelected here, I think we can safely say that the sentence would have been somewhat more harsh.
The conviction is still a stain on his legacy. He will become the first convicted felon to hold the presidency. It's also a test of the Supreme Court's ruling on presidential immunity. Despite a last-ditch attempt by Trump, the court did not block the sentencing from proceeding. The court may eventually be asked to rule on Trump's promised appeal.
I would expect the Trump defense team to take that all the way to the Supreme Court if necessary.
Notably, Trump cannot pardon himself from these state charges, even as he prepares to return to office as a man largely above the reach of the law. Jackson Proskow, Global News, Washington.